can you please? We want to film.
Yes, I understand that, but at the moment, there's things that a mother needs to take care of. And since I happen to be the mother...
Like your chonies.
We want to film the best movie in the world.
The best movie that's ever been filmed in this house.
This house. Old.
How do you know? You don't know people that lived here before.
Mom and Pop.
They could have been producers.
They weren't. We're producers.
You don't know that.
Today.
Oh, kid. You better recognize when Big Mama's here. Okay. And why didn't Nina say everything was wet in here? Huh? Huh? Who did what? Who did what over here? Let's go turn that off. How come it was wet in here? Nina said it was wet.
Nina, wrong.
This is white. It was wet.
Hey.
It was wet.
Wet my camera. It's all leaking.
Don't do it anymore. Stop laughing.
Can we film yet?